Morning guys, it's a brand new day here. Welcome back to the channel and welcome back to another video. And to get this video started, I'm about to head off to Blackheath in South London to collect my front slam panel and radiator pack for my 2009 Audi A3. So let's get into it. VXR baby. Ooh. Famous Tower of London. No, how can I get that? Tower Bridge, sorry. Tower Bridge of London. For those of you who don't know, Tower Bridge of London. Anyone watching from any other country, if you ever come to London, you have to check out Tower Bridge. One of the biggest tourist hotspots. Heart of London. So I managed to get airbox, fans, complete rad pack, front slam panel, crash bar, and as a bonus, this is the same water hose that was broken on the car. I actually just ordered this morning. I never knew it was coming with this, but what can you do? I'm happy. It's got a whole bunch of sensors, a whole bunch of plugs that I needed. I'm very happy with this buy. All of this 150 quid. So that's it guys, that's the first stop and I'm off to the second stop now. I'm gonna hopefully pick up my dashboard. Well, it's getting delivered, so I'm hoping that it comes today and then we can start to put this stuff together. Morning guys, it's a new day here and just like yesterday, we're about to go collect some more parts. So yesterday, if you remembered, I went to collect my front slam panel, radiator pack, and this, I think it's like an airbox and some other bits and bobs that's connected to that. It's still in the car. So then this morning I've sourced my complete airbag kit. So I'm heading out to Hackney in East London now. I ordered it from a company in Manchester, but because of the size I knew that I'm not going to be at home at the flat, so I got it delivered to my mate's garage. So I need to head down to Hackney in East London to my mate's garage and we're going to collect my airbag kit. And then yeah, like I said in my last video, the next video I'll be changing up the airbag kit, changing up my seat belts, double checking all of that. Let's collect all my bits, collect all my parts, and then we're going to drop it off to the car and then yeah, we'll see where it goes from there. Actually my key, one of my buttons on my key's not working, so I want to see if I can fix that as well today. But yeah guys, I'm really excited for you guys to see the next video. So if you like this sort of stuff, you know what I'm gonna say, make sure you smash that subscribe button. The last video, there seems to be a lot of interest in this car guys, and it seems like you're liking it. So if you are, please show that so that YouTube can understand that you like it. Make sure you press that thumbs up button and make sure, okay, and make sure bell notifications are on so you don't miss any future content about this build and future builds, because after this one I'm going to be doing it all over again with something bigger and better. I've got something in mind, but when we get to that I'll let you guys know. Let's get into it. Boom. Special delivery. This should be complete dashboard and airbag kit for the Audi A3. So let's get this loaded up and then we need to move on. And we've got a pack there today. We'll pick up a few more bits. Let's get it done. For everything else that's in the car I can't fix, I'm going to have to pull it all apart. Didn't want to, but needs be. It's not so tight yet. Definitely. A3 dashboard and airbag kit, but it's all in. Massive. Let's drop it all off. Zafar from Multicar.
Yes, my man. Yes, man. All good.
Yeah?
All good, my man.
That's it, guys. If you need any repairs in Hackney, come down to Multicar Garage in Hackney. Right, guys. So I've got the front slam panel, got the airbag kit. I'm gonna head down to my local Audi dealer and see if I can put in an order for the headlight brackets and just a few other little bits of plastic that I need. what a day, guys. I hope you're enjoying this video, and if it's the kind of content that you like, make sure you smash that subscribe button, give me a thumbs up, and stick around because the next couple of videos for this project is going to be epic. Let's get into it. Boom!